Hello, my friends. I hope you are well today. I'm here with a new idea. I'll show you how to create a stunning effect on a photo and make it trendy in Photoshop. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, follow, and support me with a comment. Appreciate my efforts as I'm giving you this info in the simplest way possible. You won't find anyone on YouTube explaining this as easily as I do. Let's start. First, we go to File, then New, and select the size you want. I will choose, but after that we'll click OK. It will open our size and we'll get our girl's picture as you see. We want to change her color. So what will we do? We'll turn it black and white because with this change, the color will turn black and white. We'll make a clipping mask so the color stays within the girl, and we'll adjust her tint by darkening here a bit and lightening there a bit and tuning it here a bit. Then we'll hit Ctrl U on the keyboard because changing its color will also shift. We'll reduce here a bit, increase there, and fix it like you see. The most important thing, and as you see, once we're done with the colors, we'll get our effect and integrate it with the girl's picture. We come over to the girl, make a mask, grab our brush, and ensure it's in black. As long as we wipe and get, let's adjust our brush like this and make it smaller. Let's merge together like this. Amazing, and you'll love it, God willing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and follow, my friend. I appreciate the effort I put in to deliver the information to you as simply as possible. That's how we merged the effect with the girl. What else are we going to do? We'll bring another effect and we'll create a clipping mask on the first effect. We'll use Ctrl-T on the keyboard to enlarge it a bit, then shrink it back down a little to adjust it. We'll keep adjusting it until it aligns with our composition, just like you see here. Maybe we can reduce its opacity a little. We can change its blending mode to make it look nicer, just like that. We'll create a mask to erase the edges, exactly as you see. As you can see, let's take a look at the before and after. The before and after, we can explain the opacity a bit more. Again, it looks great now. Very nice. What we're going to do, we'll add a rounded shape and place our text. That's it. The design is complete. We played around in Photoshop as easily as possible. Come on, let's choose our background like this. You can open it a bit depending on the background you want. It looks very nice, as you can see. What are we going to do? We'll go up here. For example, we can go to the contrast and reduce the contrast a little, then increase the contrast here slightly so that everything remains clear. After that, we'll go to the curves to darken the edges by pulling down on the curve, just like you see. We'll press Ctrl-Y on the keyboard to invert the white because we're going to start drawing on the background like this. Let's remove the black background behind it. We'll go back to the mood here. Instead of keeping it normal, we'll make it over. We'll make it dodge, as you can see. The effect, along with the overlay and other effects, has completely transformed the design, my friend. Appreciate my effort and don't forget to like and follow. I love you all. Now let's wrap this up. Come on, let's see the before and after. The design has completely transformed. It's gone to a whole new level. Now let's finish up. Just need to do one more thing with our colors. We'll group all these layers together like this and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E to merge them into one layer. Then we'll go to the filter menu and apply a camera raw filter just like you see here. Now we can play around in the expander. We can increase the contrast a bit here depending on what you want. But to keep the video short, I'll speed through this part. Just watch what I'm doing. So we finished everything. It didn't take us much time or effort. We did it in seconds. Everything is easy. I've left all the images I used in the description below. Let's take a look at the before and after with the camera raw filter. See how it's completely transformed? Don't forget, my friend, to support me if you liked the video. Don't forget to like and follow and leave an encouraging comment. That's all for now. Goodbye, my friend.